Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to learn with the interview question number three. Find the name of the employee who is getting the highest salary. So, how to find the name of employee who is getting the highest salary? Basically, for finding highest salary, we can use the aggregate functions. Okay, you can use aggregate function for finding highest salary. Using max function, you can find the highest salary. But the rule of aggregate function is with aggregate function will return only a single value, only single value, O and L1. Okay, single value. Then we want the name of employee. We are not want actual salary. Just we want the who is the person who is getting the highest salary. So let's see how to find this thing. So for that we have to go for the MySQL workbench. One second, so we can open these things. So it will take some time. Just enter your credential. SU this ability 2023. Yeah. So once you get the access, so make a use of our database name. So database name is Jirish. So database change and select all the record first. So I'm selecting all the record. So this is what the table we have, and in that table we have everything like department, name of employee, location, name, and salary. We want the name of employee who is getting the highest salary. So we basically do the query, the select select selects star from or select max of what you want salary from what EMP. So it will gives you the highest salary. Which is the highest salary? That is a 55,000. But we want the name of employee, not the highest salary. So name of employee, which is the field using for name here name. And if you're trying to do the name, comma, max of salary, so which is the person who is getting the highest salary? That is a test is the name of the person. So if you're trying to do this query, so let's check. So, so it will not going to give you the right output because with the help of aggregate functions, we cannot use the other field. The max function means any aggregate function when you are using, use only that field only. Then how we can get the name of the employee who is getting the highest salary? So at that time, this max function is not allowed here. So here what we can get with the help of this query, you can find all the employee name. See, we are getting all the employee names, and if you are passing in where condition, WHERE where, okay, in where condition we can apply any condition. What we want where salary, which salary we want the max salary. So go here and write one inner query where salary is equal to. If we pass the any salary here, suppose 55,000 or 50,000 or instead just greater than 50,000. So what it's going to give the output? It will give the output the name of the person who is getting the highest salary. But we want the highest salary. Then in these conditions, we can write the inner query. So for that, we have to just use select. What we want to select? Max of salary. Okay. And max of salary from what? Employer. So this result will give only a single digit or single output, and that output will going to compare with the salary. So directly, indirectly, we are getting the max salary. So here the max salary will get matched, and accordingly we'll get the output. So if we run this program, we can find the name of the employee who is getting the highest salary. In the similar manner, you can also find the mean salary. Okay, whichever the person who is getting the main salary, that name also you can find here. So it's very easy to find this. Okay, the test is also named who is getting the main salary. Let's cross check which is the person name. Okay, the 12,000 is also the test and he's also the test. But what is the advantage of using the inner query? With the help of this inner query, you can find the many things. So you can find the name, you can find the age, and What you can find the salary also. So number of details you can find because inner query will allow you. So name of the person is test, which salary is 12,000 and the age is 32. The similarly, if you want to find the max thing, so that also you can check. So the max function also is going to work here. So just highlight that queries and accordingly you can find out. So just execute. So the salary is 50,000, name is a test, and age is 22. Okay. So whenever there is a question like this, find the name of the salary is getting highest salary. For highest, finding highest, lowest, we are using the aggregate function, but aggregate function rule is it will return only a single value. So if you want the name, at that time you have to use all the field, whatever you want to select. In the where condition, you should apply the inner query, and within that inner query, you have to write the aggregate function. Okay. If you understood this question, stay tuned for the next was similar interview questions. Thank you.